Kaya nga, wala nang init dito, pero ang ano pa rin, ang init pa rin. Or really, who asked? Who thought that, you and Ate Amor dating? Even me and Nico, many people do that we're like that. Oh my God.
Don't mind.
Many gossip in Philippines. You know that anime, so you just them.
Guy and Rose.
Oh, maybe they just want to know or don't know. Yeah. Even me too. I just like that. It was just fun.
Yeah, it's really funny.
But it's better to ask than the gossip like, diba? Because they asked if I had a girlfriend.
Iba pang mga bayarin.
Soon, Amor will be your girlfriend.
Uy! Ano ka na?
Binibin pa ka natin.
Don't said I was single. Binibenta ko na sa Atel sa'yo.
Charis lang. That's when the us.
Oh, you're single?
I will send.
Char.
Nag-aaral si Baby Grace. You cut out. Ano? Ay, ayaw po sige ko. Announce po ka. What did you say? She said, you single and she's single. So, you both single. So, have a chance to both each other.
Wala decision yan.
Yeah, nothing is impossible, right? Oh my God.
I can
Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Maglalaba pa ako. Tapos,
you can chupa me.
nakatulog ako. Nakatulog ako kanina. Hindi ako nakapag-1. Ayaw. Nakagising ako. Lapit na 3 p.m.
We can chupa each other.
Tapos,
Para akong si Raulo.
Love struck. Struck pala. Akala ko struck. You are love struck to us.
thank you.
So much. Do I look so tired? I'm sleepy. You know my sleep earlier in the lunch. It's so nice. My God. Baby God. So. Oh. Charis. Sure. We will go. Yeah, we'll go. We'll go like that, oh.
Love struck.
We're like that, oh. No. I just playing my hand. I just want to play. I didn't say something.
Nawang.
I performed for free the first time. Sana all free. It's expensive. You need to have something to pay. Because you know it's expensive. For example and all. No. There's no free now in Philippines. everything you need to pay. Melmer, Eduardo. I'm not from Philippines. Yeah, but you were Philippines soon.
But,
Boom, next.
Chikboy, pasok!
Rule doesn't apply. I can give for example. No, rule is the rule. You can change that. Paula, you can change that. Rule is rule. If you change that, you the punishment. Republic Act 1234. Visit ang ganda. Pinapagandahan ka niya kasi birthday mo, di ba? Kasi birthday mo. Birthday mo. Opo, ganis. Paula, thank you.
Dahil
Birthday mo,
pupunta ka na
birthday
sa
mo.
kadiliman.
Birthday mo at birthday mo.
Dahil
Thank
birthday
you,
mo,
Paula.
kukunin ka namin sa tanas.
Baby. Dahil birthday mo,
Bon,
itsuraan, dapat
Tentan.
mamatay ka na.
Oo, dahil birthday mo, kukunin ka na ni sa tanas.
Thank you, Paula. Charis. Ayan. Para naman tayong mga baliw dito eh. Ayun, iniisip ko yung 3 hours ko ba? Ang tagal ko pa matapos. Ang dami ko pang labahin. Ang dami ko pang... Kaya hindi ko talaga gusto mag-live ng ganito kapag hindi ako naka-live sa aga kasi ang dami ko talagang trabaho. Ayoko na sa mundo. Gusto ko na sa mundo niyo. Honey? Oh, Pinoy ko, Lord. Kristo, amen. Seven. Pearl. Hello, Pearl. Thank you, baby Anime. Thank you so much. Charles.
Natatawa talaga ako. Nakatatlong palit na talaga ako ng outfit. Hoy! Tita! Not your fault, I ruined everything.
Ang dami ko na palang utang, pati sa Gcash nagkautang ako. Ano ka na magdamay?
May ano,
Kasi pareha
may
kasi kami
baliw
ng
pala
kulay,
dyan, oh, may baliw.
May gago, wala. Sino yan? Ate Mia. Wala, may baliw.